Take aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide in a test tube. Now add aluminium filings in this. Close it with the help of cork. Now leave it for few minutes. You can see there is a production of hydrogen by the chemical reaction between aluminium and sodium hydroxide. Now what will happen? Take the burning matchstick near it. You can see there is a pop sound which indicate the presence of hydrogen in this reaction. Thank you very much.